Alright, this is just a self-evaluation sectioning, so we're not gonna go into it, okay? What you have to do is you are assigned on problem 30 to 35, okay? And I give you, yes, here is the completed answers here for you, so you can check, okay? But don't just copy the answer. Like a couple of students are doing it, and they're always like so ready to get out of the class and go back home, and treat the class as if like they don't have to spend time on it. But you're required to be in class, right? Especially those who are on financial aid students are. You're required to be in class because the government is helping you. Yes, to go to school. So don't waste your time. Yes, going back home and doing nothing. Just make sure you spend this 4 hours. To finish your assignments, and you can get it just by copying it. Okay, you have to actually study it. Okay, so here from problem 30 to 35, answers are here. Yeah, of course this is your unit 3 end of it. You can draw. It will take you about 3 to 6 hours, depends on how you work. Okay, and some student may take longer, the whole day, maybe the whole week, and do it. Yes. Practice, yeah, all the practice problems and your self-evaluation problem, because your test I will be taking, I'm not changing anything, I'm taking out of out of this question pool. So unit 1, 2, 3 is going to be in your test 1. Yeah, so make sure you study it. So let's go ahead and stop right here.